It's JoJoCinco, and it's approximately, what time is it?
I don't know.
It's approximately 3 a.m., and we live in the gutter. So, Kthern Zetta, hey, baby, look, go, but freezing. You can't see me right now, or her, but model status, I got, especially when she's like walking out of Beecher Terrace right now, on 34th Street. I have to walk her out, so no murderers get her, or rapist. This is it. It's the ghetto. Hey, right there. I witnessed a homicide this time last year. Where's your car at? Oh, here you go, Fast and Furious. Here you go. I'm gonna leave my mark.